Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you one of the most amazing and new latest feature of WhatsApp. Now you can easily able to forward anyone's WhatsApp status to anyone without downloading the WhatsApp status. If you want to forward your friend's WhatsApp status to another friend, so now you can easily able to do this. Open the WhatsApp and go to status section, and here you can get your all status of your friend's family member. As you can see guys, if you want to forward anyone WhatsApp status, you need to open the WhatsApp status. In the top right three dot, just tap on it. From here you can easily able to get the option to forward. Just tap on forward button and then it will open your chat section. Just search that friend's name, contact name, and just simply select it and then simply forward it. So as you can see guys, the WhatsApp status was successfully forwarded. I have not downloaded that WhatsApp status. Without downloading, I have forwarded that WhatsApp status. So one more thing guys, on every WhatsApp status you can't able to see the forward option. As you can see guys, some of my friend WhatsApp status was showing forward option, some of my friends WhatsApp status forward option is not showing. This means guys, your friend was not allow this option, allow sharing. Okay, if anyone friend will enable this option, you can automatically get the option to forward and reshare that friend WhatsApp status. If your friend was disable this option, at that time guys, that WhatsApp status you can't be able to forward or reshare. You need to remember this guys. So that's how you can easily able to forward WhatsApp status without downloading them. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to TECHiFY, and I will see you in the next video.